7 gray hair mistakes that make you look older, and how elegant women avoid them. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something was off with your gray hair, even after you put effort into it? You're not alone. While gray hair is a natural crown of wisdom, the wrong habits can easily take it from radiant to tired looking. Let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. I'd love to hear from you. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, treating it like your old hair color. Gray hair isn't just a color change, it's a texture change. It tends to be drier, more porous, and less reflective than your natural shade. What worked on your brunette or blonde strands won't work here. Gray hair needs moisture, hydration, and products that soften wiry textures without weighing them down. Mistake number 2, overusing purple shampoo. We all know purple shampoo helps reduce yellowing, but using it too often can leave your hair looking dull, flat, and strangely tinted. Elegant women know it's a treatment, not a daily routine. Once a week is plenty. The rest of the time, opt for moisture-rich, color-safe shampoos. Mistake number 3, letting the shape go. Long, shapeless gray hair can make even the most stylish woman look weighed down. Don't be afraid to add layers, shape, or movement. A well-structured cut lifts your face, gives your hair life, and makes you look more intentional, not like you've given up. Mistake number 4, using heavy, old-school hairsprays. Sticky, crunchy sprays add years to your look. Modern elegance calls for touchable hold and natural movement. Switch to a lightweight setting spray or flexible hold mousse to keep your hair looking soft, not stiff. Mistake number 5, ignoring scalp health. Gray hair grows from the same scalp you've always had, but neglecting it can lead to thinning, dryness, and breakage. A clean, healthy scalp is the foundation of youthful-looking hair. Gentle exfoliation, scalp massages, and light oils like rosemary or peppermint can make a world of difference. Mistake number 6, matching gray hair with dull makeup. Gray hair is striking, but if you're still wearing the same makeup you did years ago, think muddy browns or beige lipsticks, you could be washing yourself out. Elegant women refresh their makeup with soft pinks, rose tones, and radiant foundations that brighten their overall look. Mistake number 7, fearing change. The biggest mistake, believing gray hair has to look boring. Elegant women aren't afraid to try new styles, whether it's sleek buns, playful waves, or bold cuts. Your gray is part of your story, but your style should keep evolving. If these tips are helping, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe for more timeless style advice. Ladies, gray hair isn't the end of your style story, it's a brand new chapter. Treat it with the care it deserves, and you'll turn heads for all the right reasons.